Stop manually clicking through websites in 2026. It's time to let AI do the heavy lifting. Today, we're diving into Hermes Agent, a new open-source powerhouse that turns your browser into an autonomous worker. This isn't just a chatbot, it's an agent that can navigate, click, and extract data on its own. We're going to show you exactly how to set this up in under 5 minutes using a single command. If you're still doing manual web scraping or data entry, you're leaving money on the table. Let's get into the setup. First, we need to get the environment ready. You don't need a complex server setup. Just open your terminal and run this one command to install the Hermes core library via pip. This pulls down the latest 2026 stable release optimized for browser interaction. The installation takes less than 10 seconds. Once installed, you'll have access to the Hermes CLI tool, which acts as the bridge between your local LLM and the browser engine. This is the foundation of our autonomous agent. Make sure your Python version is 3.10 or higher for best compatibility.
在这里是我打它别用一的这样的到在多不这些它地方破了在带毛在土地要你不到的口碑了就不强就不大这的我们在地这样子吧这样的也好的自己变一起把米到比照也比在比的我在我说也在也那么我在唱泡在比第一为你知道是比的maybe 我的比但到不在这样一保安在要一对一比我们在的你有没有那是上包外别在不别不空的大不一来的呀我不知道那个猴子这边
Here's the secret sauce. Hermes uses a local vision model to see the screen. It doesn't rely on fragile HTML structures. If the website updates its layout tomorrow, your agent still works because it understands the visual context. This makes it incredibly robust for long-term automation projects. You can chain these agents together to build complex workflows, like filling out forms, scheduling meetings, or monitoring stock prices. The potential is limitless, and it's completely free to use if you run it locally. This changes how we interact with the web forever. To wrap up, Hermes Agent Plus Browser AI is the ultimate productivity hack for 2026. You've seen how to install it with one command, launch the browser interface, and execute real-world tasks using natural language. No coding skills required. If you found this insane, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into free AI tools. Next week, we're combining Hermes with Whisper API for automated video transcription. Don't sleep on this technology. Check the description for the GitHub repo link and start automating your life today. See you in the next one.